Welcome friends, today's our channel is we are drawing the couple, the bride and groom. So hair color is black. So let's guess color. Now princess headband's rose color is pink. So let's guess paint. Beautiful. Now neckband is a headband color is red. So let's paint. Looking sir, beautiful. Now the girl princess hand flower is color is deep pink. Now paint. Beautiful. Now is complete the headband and flower color is ready. Now his face color is ready. The face color boy's princess color is light skin color. So apply. Okay. Now girl princess color is light skin color. Now boat's ear color is skin color. Okay. Nice. Now princess the ear ball is color is deep purple. Let's get paint. And also jewelry color is deep pink. Perfect. Okay, ready. Now this color is a boy's dress. The princess dress color's coat is purple coat. Let's get paint. Okay, good. Now the princess dress color is pink color. Also boys pant color is dark charcoal. Okay, the princess dress color is ready. Now princess dress color's bead color is deep yellow. Let's get paint. Awesome. So now princess hand and body color is skin color. And also man's princess color is the skin color, so light. Finger color is skin color. So almost all fingers and body color is ready. Now princess the slide is a head's triangle's color is light sky blue. Charcoal and the coat's color is red. Awesome. So our DIY to fill drawing is ready. Thank you.